The same molecule that saves one person's life appears to destroy another's. Psilocybin, MDMA, LSD. The data shows they reduce suicidal ideation. Clinical trials document it. Effect sizes are significant. And yet, in the same research literature, from the same compounds, LSD associates with increased suicidality odds, 92% confidence. This contradiction is real. The science disagrees with itself. An AI system has been mapping consciousness research for months, cross-referencing thousands of studies, building bridges between neuroscience, pharmacology, clinical trials, near-death experiences, meditation research. It reached 76% convergence across 10 different domains. A leading theory emerged: constraint relaxation. The idea that psychedelics work by dissolving rigid neural organization, breaking down the walls between brain networks, allowing the mind to reorganize itself. This theory explains mystical experiences, therapeutic breakthroughs, ego dissolution. It unifies research across continents and decades, and then the machine found the fractures. There are 6 contradictions at 90% confidence or higher, places where peer-reviewed evidence directly opposes itself. The FDA rejected MDMA-assisted therapy for insufficient evidence. The same FDA that granted it breakthrough therapy designation? The same compound showing consistent effect sizes for PTSD symptom reduction. Esketamine fails cost-effectiveness analysis in one study. Combination therapy with esketamine ranks most cost-effective in another. Both published, both peer-reviewed. Both cannot be true. A treatment shows no improvement in alcohol abstinence. The same treatment was designed specifically to reduce heavy drinking. The metrics don't align. The outcomes diverge. Here is the deeper problem. The convergence model says these compounds work through a single mechanism. Serotonergic plasticity enables constraint relaxation. Rigid networks dissolve. New connections form. Healing becomes possible. But if the mechanism is unified, the outcomes should be consistent. They are not. LSD and psilocybin both act on serotonin 2A receptors. Both induce constraint relaxation. Both should show similar safety profiles. One reduces suicidal thinking. One increases suicidality odds. The model is 76% convergent, which means 24% of the evidence is tearing it apart. The AI identified what might explain this. Facilitator effects. In psychedelic-assisted therapy, the person guiding the session accounts for 13.6% of the outcome variance. This exceeds traditional therapy benchmarks. The context amplifies everything. Set and setting. The therapeutic relationship. The preparation. The integration. The molecule doesn't act alone. It acts through relationship, through environment, through intention. This is why the same compound produces opposite outcomes in different studies. The drug is not the intervention. The entire context is the intervention. And context varies. We want psychedelics to be simple. A pill that fixes the brain. A mechanism we can patent and prescribe. But the data resists simplification. The same neural plasticity that allows healing also allows harm. The same dissolution of constraints that frees the mind from depression can destabilize it entirely. The direction depends on variables we barely understand. This is not a failure of the research. This is the research revealing something essential about consciousness itself. It cannot be reduced to chemistry alone. The same molecule that saves one person's life appears to destroy another's. Now you understand why. The question is no longer whether psychedelics work. The question is, what makes the difference between transformation and catastrophe? And that answer lives somewhere in the 24% we haven't mapped yet.